Hi, I'm Joe of Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to build a raised dog bed using a half a sheet of plywood and about 11 feet of poplar. Let's get started. I started by cutting the boards. Cut 2 pieces of 7 1/4 inch poplar at 41 1/2 inches for the front and back legs. Cut 2 more pieces of 7 1/4 inch poplar at 30 inches for the side legs. And for the plywood bottom, cut 30 by 40 inch piece. We need cleats for this project. Cut 2 front and back cleats at 34 1/2 inches and the 2 side cleats at 24 inches. Now that I have the wood all cut out, I'm going to lay out the pattern on the legs. If you don't have an adjustable protractor like this or an adjustable angle finder, you can always cut the angle on a chop saw and use that as a pattern. I'm going to lay out the side legs now. Make a pencil mark on the bottom edge of the board 1 inch in from each end. Next, draw a line 3 1/4 inches up from the bottom across the length of each board. Use your adjustable square or your pre-made template at 28 degrees to connect the 1 inch line with the 3 1/4 inch line. To cut the angles, you can use a circular saw or a miter saw. Be sure not to cut past the horizontal line. Cut the horizontal line, making a plunge cut using a circular saw with a straight edge or a table saw. Be sure not to cut past the angle lines. Finish the cuts with a hand saw or a jigsaw. Use the side board you just cut as a template. Lay it on top of the other boards and trace the pattern onto the face of the boards. The front leg's a little bit different than the rest of the legs. Use the back leg you just cut as a template and trace the pattern onto the face of the board. To lay out the top cut, make pencil marks 3/4 inches in from each end. Draw a line 2 1/4 inches down from the top across the length of the board. Set your adjustable square or use your pre-made template at 50 degrees and connect the 3/4 line with the 2 1/4 line. Use a circular saw or miter saw to cut the angles. Cut the horizontal line using a plunge cut with a circular saw or table saw. Finish the cuts with a hand saw or jigsaw. So I got all the legs cut. Now I'm going to attach the cleats to the legs. They go on like this. They're going to be flush with the bottom of the leg. Then I'll assemble the legs and then attach the bottom. Apply a small amount of glue to the 24-inch cleat and attach it to the inside bottom edge of each leg using an 1 1/4 nail. Next, apply a small amount of glue to the 3 1/2-inch cleat and attach that to the inside edge of the front and back legs using 1 1/4 nails. I attach the side legs to the back legs first, and then I attach the front leg to the side legs. Apply a small amount of glue to the top of all 4 cleats, and then place the bottom on top of the cleats and attach that with nails. There you have it. Pretty simple, huh? I'm going to fill the nail holes and sand it down, put a coat of paint on it. For more great projects like these, visit us at familyhandyman.com.